What was the other thing you were gonna say? Yeah. Uh-oh.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Retired Renovators, the YouTube channel that my husband Gary and I are doing to document our renovations in our Carriage House and Big Brick House in Paducah, Kentucky. And on this video today, I want to talk again one more time about our bathroom, not the shower this time, but all the other nifty little things we've done in the bathroom to save space and make it seem spacious. So this is part of the series of the finished aspect of the Carriage House. So to recall, our Carriage House is only 869 square feet, so every inch counts. We have just one bathroom for the two of us, and so let me show you a couple of really cool things we put in this bathroom to make it seem spacious and fun and well organized. All right, let's go. All right, so you might think that this is an ordinary toilet area, but it's a cool toilet area. So the things that we like about the toilet is the shelf that we built. We brought out the half wall a little bit so we could have this shelf where we could put toilet paper and other things on there, nice and
Yes, we did. We put a reading light near the toilet. It's great for, well, you can imagine, and it also has a USB port so you can charge your technology while you're doing your business. Overhead venting fans in bathrooms often get overlooked, but these are really important. And this is a super cool one. It is completely quiet, and it has a motion sensor on it, so it turns on when you walk into the bathroom, and it has a humidity detection on it, so it will work harder if there's a lot of steam in the shower. It's really an amazing venting fan. Highly recommend that you up your game when you are looking for a fan in the bathroom. We were able to find a corner for the washer and dryer in our bathroom, and we put in shelves for extra storage, as you can see, a light above the shelves so we could see when we're folding clothes and messy clothes, as you can see. And this little, we made a little platform in order to not have to bend over so much, and so that worked really well as well. We decided we just wanted a single sink in the vanity to maximize the countertop. We're really happy with this vanity. We also wanted extra lighting, so we have a wide museum picture light above the mirror and two sconces on the side for extra light. Works great.
if you would take just a minute and hit the subscribe button, we would really appreciate it. It takes just a second. It doesn't cost you anything. All it does is help with YouTube analytics to show YouTube that someone is watching the channel. So really appreciate it if you would take a moment and subscribe. And if you like the content, hit the thumbs up button. Thanks.